Welcome to 166 Bourbon Place in Whitby. This gorgeous N-unit freehold townhouse is located in one of Whitby's finest areas, Pringle Creek. This home features a one-car garage with 4-car parking in the driveway. There's also a smart car plug in the garage. The main floor features an open concept living dining area with an eat-in kitchen and walk out to a good-sized backyard. The upstairs features 3 bedrooms. The master has an ensuite and walk-in closet. The basement is finished, featuring a full bath and kitchenette.